Plumber job interview. Hello, thank you for coming in today. Please have a seat.
Thank you. It's my pleasure to be here.
Let's start with your experience. Do you have any prior experience related to plumbing work?
Yes, I have been working as a plumber for the past 5 years. I'm certified in PLCC. During this time, I have been involved in various plumbing projects, including installation, maintenance, and repair of water and sewage systems.
That's great to hear. Can you describe a time when you successfully solved a complex plumbing problem?
Certainly. In one project, I was tasked with repairing a sewage system in an old building. The problem was that the system had multiple leaks and backups, making it difficult to identify the exact source of the issue. I began by conducting a thorough inspection and used specialized tools to detect the leaks. After identifying the problem areas, I developed a plan to repair each section systematically. It involved replacing damaged pipes, sealing connections, and ensuring proper drainage. By carefully following this plan, I successfully resolved the complex plumbing problem within the estimated time frame.
Impressive. How do you approach problem solving in such situations?
When faced with a complex plumbing problem, I first gather all the necessary information and assess the situation. This includes examining blueprints, consulting with colleagues, and conducting a thorough on-site inspection. Once I have a clear understanding of the problem, I prioritize the tasks and develop a logical plan of action. Throughout the process, I remain adaptable and open to troubleshooting as unforeseen challenges may arise. Effective communication with the team is crucial to ensure everyone is on the same page and working towards the same goal.
It sounds like you have excellent problem-solving skills. Can you provide an example of a successful outcome you achieved in your previous work?
Certainly. In one project, I was assigned to install a complex heating system in a large commercial building. The task required precision, as any mistakes could cause severe damage to the structure. I meticulously planned the installation process, coordinated with other tradesmen involved, and ensured strict adherence to safety regulations. As a result, the heating system was installed flawlessly, meeting all technical requirements and passing inspections. The successful outcome not only satisfied the client, but also earned positive feedback from my superiors.
That's excellent. Your experience and problem-solving abilities will be valuable in our team. Do you have any questions for us?
Yes, I would like to know more about the work environment and the type of projects your company is currently involved in.
Thank you for your interest. We specialize in residential plumbing projects, including installation, repair, and maintenance of water and sewage systems. Our team works in a collaborative environment, where we emphasize professional growth and maintaining a high standard of quality service.
That sounds great. I'm excited about the opportunity to work with your team and contribute my skills to the company's success.
Thank you for your time today. We will be in touch soon regarding the next steps of the hiring process.
Thank you. I appreciate the opportunity to interview with your company. Have a great day.
In this script, the conversation focuses on the applicant's experience, problem-solving skills, and success stories. The applicant demonstrates their ability to handle complex plumbing problems and shows enthusiasm towards the company. The interviewer provides information about their company and assesses the applicant's fit. Vocabulary: Installation. 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 Inspection. 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 Drainage. 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 Troubleshooting. 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 Strict. 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 Strict.